Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking to level up your crypto trading game by connecting Tradingview directly with your Bitget account, this video is going to walk you through exactly how to set that up step by step. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll have your Bitget account linked up with Tradingview, which means you can trade more efficiently, take advantage of awesome charting tools, and manage your trades without jumping between platforms. Let's dive right in and get you connected. Alright, the first thing you'll want to do is open up Tradingview in your browser. Tradingview is the platform we're going to use as our command center for charting and executing trades. If this is your first time here, don't worry, it's super user-friendly and you'll get the hang of it quickly. Once you land on the Tradingview homepage, move your mouse up to the top menu and click on the Products tab. It might sound basic, but think of this menu as your gateway to all the different features that Tradingview offers, from charting to alerts, and of course, trading integration. Scroll all the way down in that menu until you spot something called the Trading panel. This section is really important because it's where Tradingview lets you connect third-party brokers and exchanges like Bitget. Go ahead and click on Trading panel. The screen will update and you'll see a grid of various broker options appear. Now you're going to look for Bitget among the list. Before you do, make sure to select all brokers. Sometimes if you have a filter turned on, Bitget might not show up right away. Selecting all brokers just ensures you see every possibility. It's a tiny step, but a good one to avoid wasted time scrolling or searching. Once you see Bitget, click on its logo or the Connect button next to it. Here, where things get a bit more technical, but stick with me, it's not as scary as it sounds. Tradingview will now ask you to enter your API key and passphrase for Bitget. Now, if you're wondering what an API key is, think of it like a special password that lets Tradingview talk securely with your Bitget account without you having to share your login details directly. To get your API key and passphrase, you'll need to log into your Bitget account. I recommend opening Bitget in a separate browser tab or window so you can switch back and forth easily without losing your spot. Once you're inside Bitget, navigate to the API management area. Usually, you'll find this under your account settings. When you generate a new API key, the site will ask you to set permissions. Here's something important. You'll typically need to approve permissions like trading, transfers, or possibly copy trading, depending on what features you want to use via Tradingview. Make sure you select the permissions you need, but always be cautious and never enable more than you're comfortable with for your account's security. After you've got your new API key and the passphrase, copy those details over to Tradingview exactly as they appear. Double check for any typos, because a single wrong character can mean things won't connect properly. Once you've filled in the information, hit connect and wait for a confirmation. Sometimes it can take a few seconds, so don't worry if it doesn't go through instantly. And that's it. You should now be set up to trade on Bitget directly from Tradingview. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or have questions. I'm always here to help out. And if you want more tutorials just like this, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy trading.